outfit you done constructed today. You got the slides on, the drip pants. Where you get your clothes from? Good work. I was at McDonald's, right? And the dude in line, who was like, he's looking at the menu. Good work, bro. I went to my counsel right after that class. I said, we gotta drop this class, bro. I can't. When he play, you gotta be crazy, bro. What you gonna pull up with? Bad bitches at the crib, man. Fuck you, man. Alright, let's go. Low-key got the spikiest beanie I've ever seen in my life. Dr. Loki. Good dressed as Batman and Robin. I'm gonna be Batman. No. Oh, you don't want to be Robin?